Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do these Dutch braids. And this is going to be a tutorial so you can learn how to do them on yourself. Now this is specifically for shorter hair, but you can also incorporate these tips and tricks for longer hair as well. So let's get right into it. So you're going to start by parting your hair down the middle all the way to the back. It might be a little tricky to do this on yourself since you can't see the back of your head, but do your best and try to get as straight of a line as possible. Now that you have your hair parted, you can start by grabbing a triangular 1-inch section and then divide that section into 3 smaller sections. You're going to bring each strand under each other, and you're going to do that 3 times. Once you've completed that, you're going to start incorporating hair into each strand. So you're going to grab a small section of hair, combine it into one of those strands, and then bring that behind or underneath the other strand. And then you're going to add some more hair into this next section. You're going to combine it, and then you're going to bring it underneath the next strand. And you're going to repeat that same pattern going all the way down the hair. I would also recommend to try to smoothen out the hair as you grab it to incorporate it into the next section, so this way it looks nice and neat. And now you can secure the braid with an elastic of your choice. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the next half of the hair, and we're going to repeat the same steps that we did for the first section. So you're going to grab that triangular 1-inch section, divide it into 3 strands, and then from there, you're going to grab each one of those strands and bring it underneath each other. Once you've done that, you can start incorporating hair into each of those strands. So you're going to grab a small section of hair, combine it into that strand, and then bring it underneath. Same thing again, you're going to grab a little piece of hair, add it into that section, combine it, and then bring it underneath. And then you're going to add in hair into each section repeatedly as you go down that section of hair. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. I hope this video was helpful to learn how to do these Dutch braids. Remember, practice makes perfect, and I hope you give this hairstyle a try. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!